Hey everyone, and welcome to Business Boutique. I'm Christy Wright, and today I've got a little bit of encouragement for you. Now, I recently shared an experience that I had where we brought in a stylist to help me get ready for book tour, plan some outfits, and she really challenged me to think outside the box and try some new stuff. It was awesome. She is the one that really helped me get into fun earrings and fun, funky heels. However, I also want to point out that several years ago, I had a different experience with a stylist that was interesting. So this was right when I became a Ramsey personality, and they just decided to have a little consultation with me on, getting it together. Like how to look good on camera, what you need to know for makeup and hair and jewelry, and just like how to be a little more polished, okay? Like I was a newbie, amateur to the max, and I was looking a little scraggly on video, clearly needed some help. So I sit down with this lady, and she's very, very nice. But she was showing me some pictures on her phone of things that she thought were inspiration for me. And y'all, every single photo was a very stiff, rigid, news anchor looking woman wearing a suit with a very firm, short, boring bob. And she said, I just feel like this is so you. And I thought, you're so wrong. That's so not me. And she's like, no, this is you. Like, this is so you. I can feel it. And y'all, she's scrolling through photos of navy and black pantsuits and just these women with very short, stiff bobs. Now, I'm not against pantsuits. I'm not against black or navy or bobs, but the whole combination was just not me. It actually worked for those women. And it's what you want to look like if you're going to be on the news or be a lawyer, for example. But that's just not me. And I'm not on the news in that setting, and I'm not a lawyer, and I really like to have a lot of fun and let my personality show. And you know what? I want to encourage you that you can do that. You can lean into the things that make you you. You may have someone else, whether it's a professional stylist or a critic on Facebook, or maybe just your mother-in-law tell you that you need to look a certain way and act a certain way and run your business a certain way and parent a certain way. But I just want to remind you that there is no one in the world like you. And no one can do what you can do it the way that you can do it. And no one, by the way, knows you better than you. So don't let someone tell you you need a stiff bob if you like to rock some wavy curls. I know, I probably just messed up my hair real bad right now. That's fine. You can be the things that make you you. So don't hold back and don't listen to the critics and the complainers and all the naysayers that tell you how you should, do it this way or look this way or whatever. I just want to encourage you. The things that make you you are not things that you should cover up or ignore or change. Those are the things that God's going to use. So what are those things that make you you? Don't try to hide them. Don't try to change them. Instead, I dare you to lean into them. I dare you to let your weird flag fly, whatever that means for you, whether it's big earrings or crazy hair or funky heels or different outfits or doing something different and weird with your marketing or different and weird with your business and your parenting. It's your life, and you don't just have the right to run it how you want to, you have the responsibility to. I love the quote by Dr. Seuss where he says, "Today you are you that is truer than true. There's no one alive who is youer than you." Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you need help figuring out the things that make you you and building your brand around those things, whether it's fun earrings, fun heels, or something else entirely, you don't want to miss my business branding bundle. You can get that by clicking the link below.